morning, y'all. It is Friday, April 27th, and it is my last day of chemo. Holy crap. Won't lie though, guys. I woke up with really bad anxiety. It's now just hitting me that today is my last day of chemo, and that basically means that my life for the last year and a half is finally coming to an end, and I get to start the new chapter of my life. And I'm really excited. Really nervous though, because like I said, the last year and a half I've had chemo, but I will still be getting checkups, my CA-125, I believe every month, a CT scan or MRI every 3 months, so it's not like I'm just like not ever getting checkups, but I just won't be getting chemo. It's really weird. It's really exciting. We are getting ready to go. I have to run to Walmart real quick because I have to grab a teal pen because my pen ran out. I'm making this really cool sign for chemo today, and there'll be a dance on my IG, so make sure you're following me on IG, and if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the post notifications because that way y'all will be notified every time I upload, because May 8th is World Ovarian Cancer Awareness Day, and I will be dropping a really important video that day, and it's basically just tying up my entire journey with cancer. So don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you guys know when that's dropping, but we gotta go. We're running a little late. Here we go. See you in Seattle. Guys, got the port drawn as you just saw, because I obviously just inserted that. It's my last time getting my port drawn for chemo. I'm excited. So right now I'm in the doctor's office. I'm waiting for, there's a banana hitting my face. Okay, Caleb. But I'm not meeting with my doctor. I'm meeting with one of her fellow doctors just to, just to say hi. So yeah, chemo should be starting pretty soon. So see you guys at chemo. And then I'll update you with my CA-125 because I'll know that pretty soon. Yeah, buddy.
Ooh, I got a brownie homemade with, I think it's mint. Is it mint?
Yeah.
Mint frosting. I'm gonna take this one down. Take this one down so fast.
We get treated good here at chemo, y'all. Caleb just got some homemade brownies, and then we're gonna come back up here on the 2nd to say like a final goodbye to like all my nurses and everybody, and it's actually one of my nurses' birthday on the 2nd, so they're gonna have like a little potluck and all this stuff, so it's gonna be really cool. But we're sitting here at chemo. I'm waiting for the medicine to actually get here, and then oh, the medicine's actually over here, so we're just waiting for me to get hooked up, and then we're good to go. I'm excited. It's the last round, guys, so here we go. Avastin is on and popping right now. This is the last Avastin I'm ever gonna get. Y'all, this is nuts. This is insane. It's not hitting me yet. It's not, but here it is, Avastin. Last one. Last one.
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take, but there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time.
Chemo is done. So right now we're going down to the 7th floor because they don't have a bell up on the 8th floor where I got my infusion to ring the chemo bell. So we're going down to the 7th floor. My CA-125 was at 9. I like to float between 8 and 9. The average CA-125 is, excuse me, the average CA-125 is 0 to 35. Last month mine was 10. This month it was 9. So that's super exciting. Chemo is finally done. I have no more chemo. I beat cancer. We are done. I rang the bell. I got to see nurses that saw me when I was at my weakest, when I was literally 1 foot in the grave. That's what one of the nurses said. I was probably one of the sickest patients they have seen in a really long time. I literally had 1 foot in the grave. I had stage 4B, which is almost terminal. Like I said, May 8th, World Ovarian Cancer Awareness Day. There will be a really cool video dropping. Sorry if you guys are getting wind. It's windy out here. I'm so excited. Just thank you for all your support on my journey with cancer. We did it. We beat it. We did it, guys. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.